Welcome to your favorite list channel, incredible lists made just for you. Imagine this, you're walking through the jungle, the leaves crunching underfoot, the sun filtering through the canopy, and then you spot it. A creature of beauty and danger, a snake. Not just any snake though, one of the most poisonous snakes in the world. Today we're diving into the world of these fascinating venomous reptiles. Welcome to the most poisonous snakes in the world. Our first contender hails from the land down under Australia. Meet the inland taipan, also known as the fierce snake. Don't let its rather small size fool you. This snake holds the title for the most venomous snake in the world, with a single bite being capable of killing 100 grown men. Next up we have the eastern brown snake. Another Australian native, this snake is second only to the inland taipan in venom potency. What makes it more dangerous is its aggression when provoked, and the speed at which it can deliver its deadly bite. From the Philippines we bring you the Philippine cobra. Notorious for its ability to spit venom, this snake's venom is so potent that it can cause paralysis, and in some cases, death. From the African continent, we present the Black Mamba. Known for its speed and highly toxic venom, this snake is one of Africa's most feared creatures. Its venom can cause a human to collapse in 45 minutes, and death can follow within 7 to 15 hours if left untreated. Hey, make sure to like and subscribe for more content, don't worry, I don't bite. Next we have the death adder, a snake found in Australia and New Guinea. With its lightning-fast strike and highly toxic venom, this snake has claimed many lives. Our sixth entrant is the vipers. Found all over the world, these snakes are known for their long, hinged fangs that can deliver a deep bite, injecting venom into their victim's system. The seventh snake on our list is the tiger snake, another Australian resident. Its venom contains a potent mix of neurotoxins, coagulants, and myotoxins, causing numerous fatalities. Finally, we have the blue crate. Found in Southeast Asia and Indonesia, this snake is often considered more deadly than a cobra. Its venom, 16 times more potent than that of a cobra, can cause death in less than half a day. And there you have it, the 8 most poisonous snakes in the world, each one a marvel of nature, a reminder of the fine line between beauty and danger. Have you ever encountered any of these snakes? Do share your experiences in the comments below. Remember, knowledge is the best defense. Stay safe, and keep exploring the wonders of the natural world.